What if your business never missed a call day or night, weekday or holiday, and instead had a tireless AI receptionist answering instantly? Today, we test EchoWin to see if it really delivers that kind of 24/7 AI support and whether it's legit enough to trust with your customers. EchoWin is an AI-powered platform enabling businesses to build, train, and deploy voice agents, essentially virtual receptionist assistants that can handle phone calls, chats, Discord messages, or online inquiries. Instead of waiting for human agents, EchoWin claims you can have an AI agent respond instantly, automatically, 24/7 in multiple languages and at scale. It aims to serve companies that rely on phone-based customer support, appointment scheduling, lead capture, or high call volume, but want to cut down staffing costs, avoid missed calls, and maintain consistency. On Product Hunt, EchoWin shows a rating of 5 out of 5 based on one review that indicates at least one user found EchoWin excellent. But because it's only one review, the sample size is very small, so the score gives a very limited picture of general user satisfaction. Now let's dive into core features one by one. First, let's start with creating an AI receptionist using templates. EchoWin lets you get started quickly by creating an AI agent using pre-configured industry templates. You can explore templates for different sectors such as law, auto repair, beauty salons, real estate, dental clinics, and general office receptionists. For example, the Michael Office Receptionist template answers calls professionally, greets callers politely, identifies the correct department, and ensures each caller reaches the right team efficiently. Other templates like Lucy Real Estate or Ethan Dental are tailored to collect client or patient information step by step, confirm details, and provide SMS notifications for appointments. Once you've selected a template, you can click Get This Agent and proceed to configure your agent. Here you can give the agent a descriptive name, set the time zone automatically, and optionally configure additional tools or transfer call instantly. For instance, you can add transfer targets to route calls to specific recipients with their name, phone number, and country. After completing this setup, you can create your agent who is then ready to handle calls, collect information, and assist customers according to the selected template and your preferences. So that was the feature of creating an AI receptionist using templates. Now let's talk about building a custom AI agent from scratch. With EchoWin, you're not limited to templates. You can start from scratch and instruct your AI agent from the ground up. This allows you to fully customize the agent's behavior, training it using information from your website or documents. To begin, click Create Your AI Agent and provide the key details. Give your agent a friendly, memorable name like Jordan, define its purpose and the task it will handle for your customers, and specify your business name so the agent can personalize responses. You can also select your industry to tailor knowledge to your field, add your website URL so the AI can learn about your company, set the default language for interactions, and choose your time zone to manage call scheduling and availability. Once all this information is entered, simply click Create AI Agent and your fully customized agent will be ready in seconds, trained to handle calls exactly the way you want. So that was the feature of building a custom AI agent from scratch. Now let's check about AI agent testing. So once your AI agent is created, you can guide it through instructions, knowledge-based testing, and deployment. In the instruction step, you define how your agent should respond, including tone, style, and step-by-step procedures. The knowledge base allows you to provide documents, FAQs, or website content so the agent can reference accurate information when interacting with customers. Finally, testing. It is crucial before deployment. It ensures your agent responds correctly and naturally across different scenarios. EchoWin offers multiple testing modes, including voice, phone call, and chat. Selecting chat, for example, allows you to simulate customer interactions and refine responses. A sample conversation might look like this. The user says, "Hey," and the agent will respond, "Thank you for calling Big Notes. I'm Jordan. How can I help you today?" And for example, the customer says, "Is customer service available?" And they're going to reply with, "Yes, our customer service is available. How can we assist you today?" So this testing step is vital because it helps verify that the agent handles inquiries accurately, maintain a professional tone, and provides a seamless customer experience before going live. So those were some of the core features, and now the question is who it's best for. EchoWin is ideal for small to medium businesses, real estate agencies, dental clinics, salons, law firms, and any company that receives frequent customer calls. It's perfect for teams looking to automate call handling, improve customer service efficiency, and reduce wait times without compromising a professional and friendly experience. But since no tool is perfect, while EchoWin is powerful, some areas could be enhanced, such as more industry-specific templates for niche businesses, expanded multilingual support to cater to global clients, advanced analytics dashboard to track agent performance and call trends more deeply. EchoWin offers a 10% affiliate program for referrals, allowing users to earn by promoting the platform. Additionally, it provides a robust API for integrating AI agents with websites, CRM systems, and other business tools, enabling developers to extend the platform's compatibility. EchoWin is a highly effective AI receptionist solution for businesses that want to streamline customer interactions. With its ready-made templates, fully customizable agents, step-by-step training, and robust testing, it simplifies call management while maintaining professionalism. Its affiliate program and API add flexibility and monetization opportunities, making it a strong choice for businesses aiming to combine efficiency with excellent customer service. So if you want to try this tool out, I have included the link in the description below. And with that, that's the end of today's review. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful reviews. I'll see you in the next video.